Hey guys, Vanakkam and welcome to In Kitchen Studio. Today we are going to check out most unique, simple and super 3 quick lunch recipes of Chettinad. First recipe, Chettinad Muringakai Perattal. It's a sort of stir fry with drumsticks. Second one, Vendakai Vellai Poriyal. This recipe also joins the family of stir fry with okra. And the last but not least, the most interesting, no oil, no flame, only 30 seconds needed, quick Chettinad Paruppu Thuvayal. Let's get into the video now. Let's start the recipe of Chettinad Muringakai Perattal with grinding fresh coconut masala. For this masala, half cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon fennel seeds and 1 cardamom. Cardamom is optional with needed water are to be grinded finely. The freshly ground coconut masala for this perattal is ready, along with 8 drumsticks chopped into 1-inch pods. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to a pan because this recipe tastes great with bit more cooking oil. You could go with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil also. Now half teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half star anise, 1 cardamom, half inch cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf are added to hot oil and tempered well. Followed by adding 1 big size roughly chopped onion and sauteed well. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed in Kitchen Studio yet means please subscribe in Kitchen Studio and click on the bell icon. When onion turns to golden brown, 15 roughly chopped garlic cloves are added. Stirred well and continued by adding 1 chopped big size tomato. After giving a good stir, just add 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Here I am adding the mixture of these two. I used to keep this mixture handy always, you could add separately also. Followed by adding 2 pinches of turmeric powder and needed salt. And the spices are stirred well, meanwhile few curry leaves are also added. And let it cook till tomato gets mashed. Tomatoes are perfectly done. Now chopped drumsticks are added and sauteed well. It should be sauteed for a minute. After a good saute, 1 cup of water is added and let the drumsticks to 3/4 cook. Once the drumsticks are 3/4 cooked, give a good stir and freshly ground coconut masala is added. Stirred well and continued by adding half cup water and let the drumsticks to cook completely. At this stage, spice and salt could be adjusted if needed. The freshly ground coconut masala and spices are got incorporated well with the drumsticks. Color is vibrant and the drumsticks are so flavorsome with all those freshly ground masalas and spices. The ultimate Chettinad Muringakai Perattal is ready now. The next recipe is Chettinad Vendakai Vellai Poriyal. This is a simple and scrumptious recipe with very few all-time available ingredients in our house. Making ingredients ready for this recipe is very easy. Just slice the onions so that it gets infused with the lady's finger well. 10 to 15 garlic cloves are crushed and kept ready with the skin. 1 big size tomato is chopped along with 6 to 7 slitted green chilies. The lady's finger also chopped into half-inch pods as shown because it gets greatly incorporated with the other veggies here. All the ingredients are ready now. Let's move on to the pan. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil to the pan, followed by adding half teaspoon black mustard seeds and half teaspoon urad dal to the hot oil. When it gets splattered well, add few curry leaves and 6 to 7 slitted green chilies. Followed by adding 2 medium-sized sliced onions, sauteed well for a minute. Then 10 crushed garlic cloves are added. Continued sauteing till onion gets light golden brown. Followed by adding 1 big size chopped tomato. Give a good stir. Then 1 pinch of turmeric powder and needed salt are added and stirred well. Let it cook till tomatoes get smashed. Once done, chopped lady fingers are added. Stirred well and continued to cook completely in medium flame. Continuous stirring is needed to avoid getting burnt at bottom. The color of lady's finger shouldn't change. Remove it from the flame when it is completely done. The yummiest chettinad vendakkai vellai poriyal is ready now. This recipe is a wholesome pack of fresh flavors of veggies. The final recipe of this episode is chettinad paruppu thuvayal. The most interesting part of this recipe is no oil and no gas needed, and it could be prepared just within 30 seconds. This simple and tasty thuvayal is prepared by blending 1 cup of roasted gram dal, 2 tablespoons of chopped or grated coconut, 2 dry red chilies, 3 to 4 small size garlic cloves and few curry leaves, along with 3/4 cup of water and kneaded salt blended coarsely. Since I am using chopped coconut, I am going to grind it roughly before adding water. If you are using grated coconut means you could skip this and directly blend it coarsely by adding water. That's it, the delightful chettinad paruppu thuvayal is ready. This paruppu thuvayal makes a great combination with South Indian sambar rice, rasam, etc. I have showcased some of the simple and tasty chettinad quick lunch recipes in this video. The flavor of these recipes will definitely stimulate your taste buds. Try it out and enjoy, guys. To view more delicious recipe videos, just subscribe in Kitchen Studio and click on the bell icon, and keep supporting us by hitting like, shares and leaving comments. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.